Did your check engine light just come on? Before you panic or spend money on expensive repairs, there's one simple trick that could save you hundreds of dollars, and it's as easy as checking your gas cap. Stick around, because this quick hack might fix your engine problem in seconds. Most people don't know this, but a loose or faulty gas cap is one of the most common reasons your check engine light turns on. Why? Because your car's EVAP system needs to stay sealed to prevent fuel vapors from escaping. If that seal is broken, the system detects a leak, and boom! Check engine light. Step 1. Check your gas cap. First, make sure your gas cap is tight. It should click at least 3 times when you close it. If it's loose or cross-threaded, tighten it properly. Step 2. Inspect the seal. Look at the rubber gasket on the cap. If it's cracked, brittle, or missing, your gas cap might need replacing. A new one usually costs under $15 and takes seconds to install. Step 3. Reset the light. Once you fix the cap, drive for a day or 2. The check engine light will often turn off on its own after the system runs a few tests. If not, you can use an OBD2 scanner to clear the code instantly. This trick fixes common EVAP leak codes like P0455, P0440, and P0457. So before you head to mechanic, check that gas cap first. It could save you a ton of time and money. If this tip helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more car hacks, and share this video with a friend who has a check engine light on right now.